Huh? You don't think they can?
Are able to hear them this time.
Skate, boys! Come on, Kenneth. Get it to the net.
Go.
That ref stands in the wrong place every time. You always stand in there. An icing. That should be an icing. Why wouldn't they call that icing? Why is that not icing? Anybody? Puck is not traveling. Come on, Cole. Let's play ball. Step up. Lift the stick. Come up on it, Cole. That's it, Foxy. It's all you, Foxy. Come on, Kenneth. They're clear. Clear. Get in there, Cole. Why are you so far back? Up the boards. Take that puck! You do a drop pass? Come on, back check. Skate hard. That's it, Cole. Go, they're changing. They're changing. Take down. That's a trip, Cole. Come on, Cole. Get it, touch it, Jack. Touch it, Jack. Touch the puck! He touched it. Goalie touched it! Step up. Lift the stick. Come up on it, Cole. That's it, Foxy. It's all you, Foxy. Come on, Kenneth. They're clear. Clear. Get in there, Cole. Why are you so far back? Up the boards. Take that puck. That's it. That's it. That's it. Go, 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 go. You do a drop pass? Come on, back check. Skate hard. That's it, Cole. Go, they're changing. They're changing. Take down. That's a trip, Cole. Come on, Cole. Get it, touch it, Jack. Touch it, Jack. Touch the puck. He touched it. Goalie touched it. I thought it was Cole. Can't believe they put that Jack in the box.
Penalty. Get out of there, Jack.
Ice it! Ice it! Ice it! Take it, take it, take it. Take it, Cray. Call. Good call.
Great call.
That's an ice. It's not an ice. Icing! That's it, Warriors. Ice it. Deep. Go deep. Deep. That's it. Deep. Deep. Come on, Warriors. Nice deep. Deeper. Deep. No, not behind the net. To get it out! Get it out, you got a breakaway. Go, go, go! That's it, Cole. Go, 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 go! Takedown. See, we're not gonna get any of those. Deep. Deep. That's it. Wait, 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 deep. It's a trip. Don't call it. Don't call the check either for the elbow. Put it in the net. Is it Christian? Keep the pressure on! Men. That's it, Christian, done. That's it, Warriors, keep it up. Cole, come on, buddy. Can't let him get that puck like that. Push it, push it. Take it, take it. That's what we need to do a little more of, just dumping it deep. Brilliant, ref. Yeah. Take it, stick check. Come on. Don't let him play back there. Come on, guys. Seriously? You just got a goal. Get it out! Here comes the check by their guy. Back! Get back! Pressure! Pressure! Man, he's like in the wrong spot.
puck fighting them because he's a magnet for the pucks today.
Move it, move it, move it, move it. Watch the trip and the check here. What you need to do is fall down. If you fall down, I guess they'll call it. Deep. That's it. Stick. That's it, go! Right up the boards. Oh. Go, get it out, boys. Where's the right winger? Get it out! Go, Kenny. Watch the elbows. Watch the elbows. Turn and shoot. That's it. Here comes the trip and the check and the hook and the takedown. Put it on net. Why is this game this close? Oh. And you're waiting too long, guys. They're just waiting for the puck. Unbelievable. Get it out! Come on. We're going to let him score here. Can't believe it.
Get him, get him.
Where's the winger?
Hard, hard.
Skate!
Out of there!
Unbelievable. Can't get the puck out of our zone.
Get it.
Nice save by Rieger.
Take it. Middle.
You gotta pass it. Look for it, right in the front. Just right in front with the puck. This is like a good game to be a goalie. The puck just slows. Look at this. I mean, you can barely get the puck out and shoot it, you know. Put it on net! Or behind the net. Whatever. This action. Take down. Net! Come on. on the board.
Warriors.
Put one on the board. One move. He's gonna be. That's a check from behind, even. Elbow in the back. Take it, Jack. Lift his stick, Jack. Now you're gonna call. The puck's not gonna make it down here. Take it, Cole. Not with this weather. Deep, deep, deep. The ref is in the way again. Come on, Cole. A lot of guys are on one side of the line. Not easy.
Hey, guys.
Skate, Jack, skate. Open ice, skate.
Hard.
Out of there.
Get out hard.
Go, 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 go.
It's going to be on net. Let it go. That's the way to do it. Way too many men on the ice. No, the whistle's broken. Maybe the whistle's jammed. Do over. Up. Oh, shoot.
Watch out.
Push the thing. You got to give it like at least 100% more than you normally do, that puck, to make it move. Oh, nice.
The puck's bouncing.
That's it. Keep it in. Deep, deep, deep. Over. That's it. Go, 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 go. It was a great idea. That's the way we play the hockey game when it's raining.
Watch out, though.
Nice stop, Owen.
Watch out.
Come on, Warriors. Don't turn your back, Cole.
Out of there.
Oh, no. Come on, Foxy. Seriously? Freezing rain. Come on, Foxy, Cole, Jack. Let's go, guys. This is the power line. Here comes a check for sure. Stay on him! Stay on him! He's calling it off over here. It's totally icing. Oh, it didn't even make it. It didn't make it down. This might go down as the rain championship.
Yeah, I know.
You know? Rain game. It's a check. I think. That's it, boys. Pressure! Pressure! That's it! Come on, Cray! It's offsides. That was over the line. I know what it is. It's actually the line is so hard to see. Oh, they're not calling that one. Come on, Jack! Ooh, his defenseman almost deflected that in on him. Or just sand, or dirt.
Yeah, just
mud.
Yep.
To the boards! To the boards! That's a nice body. Just perfectly legal. It's really bouncy. Stick to that puck! Come on, don't. Pass it. Nice. That's it. Step over and down. Good job.
now someone go get it.
I'll just. Get back! Get back! Keep pressure on him. Pressure.
Go, go, go!
I got time.
1 second, shoot! Oh, that was the play though. It was. These kids have come out to play the third period, I can tell you that. We better match them at least. Come on, Foxy, get out. There you go, buddy. Kick it! Kick it! It's a check. It's a check. Don't go all the way around the boards. Oh, he's going to go all the way around the boards. I don't know why we do that. I got to tell you, it's like... Go, 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 go! Now, take it, skate! Push it up! Yeah, the puck is just unbelievably bad.
Bounce.
Just let's get it in their zone, then we can keep it down there. Skate it out! Inner check!
Yeah, we got it, we got it.
They got the check, Cole. Don't let them touch it. I'll send it to you because this was pretty bad.
Come on, guys.
Just, that's exactly what you got to do. You're going to hit this thing on the fly.
Guys.
Did he get it?
Oh my God, it's open.
We'll take it. On net! You're going to have to get it over them.
Oh my God.
Nice job, Rieger.
Go get him.
Skate! Trip!
Give him the push.
He didn't touch it. What are you calling the whistle for? Why is he doing that?
Give him the edge of the hole.
Come on, Warriors. 5 on 3.
Pressure.
5 on 3, boys.
Do it.
Get up. Get up.
Step up.
Get hard. Hard.
Escape up.
Forward.
Now do it again. Back.
Come on, guys. You can do it.
Spread out. That fell.
Step up.
Now in front.
Good, good, good.
Keep it in.
Hey, come on.
Keep it in. Cole, step up.
Go, 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 go.
All right, guys. Go. Do it. And then go.
Oh my God.
Stay with it.
All on the same.
Come on, guys.
Boards. You got Cole.
Go, Kenneth. You can do it.
Come on, guys.
Guys.
Come on, Foxy. Clip. Come on, guys. Hard against the boards. Get it out. It's out. It just feels like that to me. Like that's going to be the decider because, frankly, there's nothing else going on. God, just get the puck out of the zone, man.
Good.
Left sides.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Check.
They got it. They got it. They got it.
Yay.
Let's go, guys. Good opportunity. Come on.
Got him.
Oh my gosh. This is chase hockey.
Out of there.
We got a power play, boys. Come on.
Guys,
Skate.
Okay, nice.
Push it. Push. Go, go, go. Come on, Jack.
Splash.
Slash. Who's... Sorry, not even watching this.
guys, Warriors.
Not to him.
No.
God, this is unbelievable. Just hold the puck till the rest of the game.
Guys, go. Go.
Let's get a goal here, guys.
Come on, guys. Come on, Kenneth. Guys, you can do it, buddy. Shoot it, shoot it.
Look at that net.
Guys. Come on, guys. Go. Come on, Warriors. Go. Good opportunity right now. Come on, guys. Come on, Warriors.
Come on, Luke. Oh my, almost went in. That's nice. That's the way. Play catch.
Warriors. Oh, get up, go. Guys. No, the puck, go. Oh.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Oh no.
Go, get it. Man, no. Jake, right here.
Go.
Yes, yes. Hey, help him out. That puck. Whoa.
Just get it out.
Out.
That's it. You got room. Lots of room.
Go. All right, let's go. Control it, control it.
No, not there.
Nice.
Battle.
Come on, guys, keep it down there. Do it. Get up, Keep it down there. Defense, keep it down there.
How much time is left, Chris? 111.
Come on, guys, keep it down there.
Get in.
Great. Fight for that puck.
with it. Stay with it.
Fight for it. Keep it down there. No, get that puck. Yes. No, get it away. Hold it down. Control it. Control
Keep it down there!
Get it. Keep it down there. Keep it down there. Right at me.
Where's the D? Help, help, help!
Behind you.
Get it out of there.
Come on.
Get it out of there.
Hit it down!
Out of there. You're okay.
Go deep, Lauer.
Good job. Good job.
10 seconds. 9,
Good job, guys. Good
8,
job.
7, 6, 5.
Open up.
Oh my gosh. Really? Like. Wow.